Chromatography is a technique for the separation of a mixture. The mixture is dissolved in a fluid, gas, solvent, water called the mobile phase, which carries it through a system on which is fixed a material called the stationary phase. This method of separation is based on the fact that though two substances are dissolved in the same solvent but their solubilities can be different, the component which is more soluble in rises faster and gets separated from the rest of mixture. This is based on the principle where molecules in mixture applied onto the surface of solid is separating from each other while moving from the aid of the liquid. Chromatography has various applications. It is used for separation of different colors of ink. It is used to identify and separate preservatives added in food. It is also used in DNA fingerprinting and bioinformatics.